How to upload YouTube videos in 2021. Alright, so you want to go to YouTube, then what you can do is click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and you then want to go into the YouTube studio, or you can simply click on the create button right there, but this will also send you over to the YouTube studio. So I'm here in the YouTube studio. I'm not sure why this is not loading, but you want to click on create in the top right corner and then click on upload videos. Now this will show you this button right there, select files. You want to click on that and then select the video that you would like to upload. So I'm going to choose a random video if I have one. Yes, there we go. So pretty much select a file, then open it, and it's then going to upload on YouTube. Now, we're not done yet because we need to go through the entire upload process, which I'll show you in the next couple of minutes or just seconds. I'm not sure. It's not going to take that long. So right there, you can enter a title. Now, a title is required on YouTube, and the title is pretty much the headline that shows up right here. I'm pretty sure all of you know that. So what you would do is simply type in the title that you want to use. So for this instance, I might go with how to upload videos on YouTube. Just like that. Next up, we've got the description. Now you guys can see that I've got a default description set up, and that pretty much means that every single time you're going to upload a file, this will already be in there. So I've done this because I can then simply copy my title, then paste it right there, and then also continue with that process right there. And this will show you how you can upload videos. Makes it very easy for me to do, and then I've got the description done. Next up, you can upload a thumbnail. So if you simply click right there, you can actually select the picture that you would like to show up before people click on a video. If I just open my thumbnail file, I'll just go with a random one here, maybe this one. You would pretty much select your thumbnail, and then it will show as a little image before clicking the video. So you can see all of these images that show up before you click on a video. Those are thumbnails, and those are really important. So make sure that's a good one. Next up, you can scroll down and you'll come across playlist. So what you can do is add this video to an already existing playlist, or you can create a new one by clicking right there. So if you want to add it to an existing one, you simply tick that box and then you're good to go by clicking on done. I'm not going to do that for now. Next up, you can choose whether your video is made for kids or not. I'll leave it up to you guys as I'm not sure what kind of content you create. But then finally, we've got tags. Now, tags aren't as that important anymore as they used to be. You can see tags play a minimum role in helping viewers find your video because YouTube shifted to the watch time. But still, you can add tags to your video. So you can type in how to upload videos on YouTube, enter, and then another tag. And by the way, if you're wondering how I get these recommended ones, it's by using vidIQ. So vidIQ is a browser extension that you can download for free. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So next up, you want to click on next. If you have a monetized channel, you can choose whether you want to monetize the video or not. I do want to monetize it. Click next, then make sure to go through this. So this is going to show, right here, you pretty much have to submit on whether there's hateful content or any of these. Next up, click next. You can then add videos, as an end screen to the video. Because this video is short, I'm not able to do that, but normally you can click right there. You can also click on add cards to add cards in your video. If you then click next, you can go ahead and upload your video. So you can upload it on private, unlisted, members only, public, and you can schedule the video. So I'll leave it up to you guys. If you want to schedule it, you click right there, you select the date and then the time, and then this video will go live on the 24th of December at 4:55 p.m. If I now click schedule, that's it. I've just uploaded a video onto YouTube. And that's pretty much the upload process in 2021. So I hope this video helps you out. If it does, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time.